Hey, are you in a huge frantic panic because the winter slowdown and slow season is here? Well, my name is Amber Jones, and we have a window cleaning company here in Dallas, Texas. And over the last year, we were able to come up with 3 strategies to help us stay afloat and keep cash flow and jobs booked over the winter time. I'll be hosting a live workshop where we'll be sharing those 3 strategies, but not only that, you're gonna have the exact blueprint. And we're gonna give you access to this document. By the time we're done with it, you'll not only know these 3 strategies, but you'll be able to implement them and put them in place within 48 hours. Using these strategies, we were able to get results like this. All right, so I want to do this quick video, and I'm covering up for privacy of this person, but I want to show you that this worked. Guys, I sent this email out 2 hours ago. Okay, 2 hours ago. So I sent the email out at 6:51 a.m. I got a reply at 8:49 a.m. that says, go for it. I'm actually interested for myself. You won't believe this. 9 o'clock a.m. just sent this email a minute ago. Here's someone that I've got permission to send our information to. So less than a minute. I guess that is my quickest record. And we've got tons more examples, but the biggest gift of all is to be able to share this with others and help you guys out as well. And that's what we're going to go over. We understand that when there's a sudden slowdown of jobs, you can get overwhelmed and oftentimes not know where to start. Well, don't worry. These strategies are simple. They're not new. They're not complicated. But what's more important is that you have a process and a plan in place. And by the time we're done with this workshop, you're going to have that exact plan in place. So what we're going to do is fill out the form below to get access to this training that we're going to do. It's going to be hands-on. You're going to get a download. Be sure to clear the time slot when you go over this to put this in place. And I hope to see you on the inside.